Learn Kannada through English. Learn, learn, kali. Learn means kali in Kannada. So I have written in Kannada also kali. Teach means kalisu, kalisu, kalisu. Give means kodu, kodu. Take, tago, tago. Do, ಮಾಡು, ಮಾಡು. All, all, ಎಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ. Read, ಓದು, ಓದು. Write, ಬರಿ, ಬರಿ. Tour, ಪ್ರವಾಸ, ಪ್ರವಾಸ. Gold, ಚಿನ್ನ, ಚಿನ್ನ. Silver, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ. Diamond, ವಜ್ರ, ವಜ್ರ. Viewers, if you want more videos about learning Kannada, please see the description. I have uploaded many videos about learning Kannada. Bronze, ಕಂಚು, ಕಂಚು. Copper, ತಾಮ್ರ, ತಾಮ್ರ. Brass, ಹಿತ್ತಾಳೆ, ಹಿತ್ತಾಳೆ. Kannada alphabet through English. How to write Kannada words in English and to learn Kannada Kagunita. You can check the description, and if you have liked this video, like, share and subscribe for more similar videos. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you and namaskar.